Welcome to OFR. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you on how to assemble the Bjorksnas bed frame from IKEA. For this build, you need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and 2 Allen keys that IKEA gives you. You can also use a drill with the Phillips or positive drive bit to speed up the assembly process. I included a hammer, just in case you have to hammer in your dowels, but in my experience, it wasn't necessary. So the first step is to put the right and left leg in this orientation. They should be marked with an R and an L. Also grab 8 of these cam lock screws. Now using your hand, tighten the 8 cam lock screws into these 8 holes. Then grab 8 dowels and insert them into these 8 holes. Next, separate the legs and bring in the top of the bed frame and put into this orientation. Just make sure the holes in each 4 corners are facing down. Then grab 2 screws, 2 nut sleeves, this Allen key, and a flathead screwdriver. Then insert the nut sleeves and screws in like this. Now using the Allen key, secure the screw into the nut sleeve. Also grab the flathead screwdriver to hold the nut sleeve in place. The whole process will look like this. Next, grab the bottom section of the headboard and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 wheel locks and insert them as shown. The arrows will be facing outwards on the wheel locks. Now connect this end of the headboard. Then grab this Allen key and fully secure the wheel locks by alternating half turns. Now connect the other end of the headboard like this. And again, grab the Allen key and secure the wheel locks using alternating half turns. Then grab 2 more nut sleeves, 2 screws, this Allen key, and a flathead screwdriver. Then insert the nut sleeves and screws in like this. Now using the Allen key, secure the screws into the nut sleeves. Also use a flathead screwdriver to hold the nut sleeves in place. Next, bring in the sideboards and put them into this orientation. Make sure the larger spacing that I emphasized with my fingers are in this position. Also grab 8 wheel locks. Now insert the 8 wheel locks like this. With the first 4 wheel locks, the arrows will be facing down, while with the other 4 wheel locks, the arrows will be facing up. The whole process will look like this. Then connect this end of the sideboard to the headboard as shown. You may need another person's help in this step. Now grab this Allen key and secure the wheel locks using alternating half turns. Next, connect the other sideboard to the headboard like this. Then using the Allen key, fully secure the wheel locks. Now grab the footboard and put it into this orientation. Also grab 4 cam lock screws and secure them into these 4 holes. Next, grab 4 dowels and insert them into these 4 holes. Now connect the footboard to the ends of the sideboards like this. And then using this Allen key, secure all 4 wheel locks with alternating half turns. Now you have to make a decision on how high your mattress will sit. I have a thicker mattress, so I'll be installing the rails on the lowest level of holes. Then bring in the 2 rails and 16 of these screws. Next, install each rail with 8 screws. The whole process will look like this. Now grab 2 mounting plates and 4 of the same screws used for the rails. Then secure each mounting plate with 2 screws on the same level you secured your rails. Next, grab the middle support beam and this metal piece. Then slide the metal piece over the middle support beam like this. Now attach each end of the middle support beam. Then make sure this metal piece is somewhat in the middle of the bed frame. Also grab this metal support and 1 small screw. Now attach one end of the metal support and secure the other one with a small screw. Next, grab another metal support and 1 small screw. then repeat the same step as before. Now make sure this metal piece is in the middle of the frame and grab 2 more small screws. Then secure the 2 small screws into these 2 holes. Next, grab 8 plastic holders and 8 of these screws. The holders will be secured into these 8 holes with 8 screws. To secure the holder, place it on top and secure it using the screw from the bottom. Just pay attention to the placement of the holders at the end of this video clip. Now grab 2 pillows and 4 straps. The IKEA instructions state that it will take 72 hours for the pillows to fully expand, so don't worry if they look flat when you take them out of the vacuum sealed plastic. Then place one strap like this and feed both ends of the strings through both holes of the strap. Now tie a bow tie to secure one side of your pillow to the headboard. Now grab another strap and do the same thing. Then repeat the same steps with the other 2 straps and pillow. Next, grab both slatted bed bases and secure each end like this. So you now have a fully assembled Bjorksnas bed frame from IKEA. Hopefully this tutorial helped you out.